Winter comes with celebration and festivities all over the world. In some parts like ours, people get relief from the discomfort of hot summer days. So, a mood of celebration is seen all around. Baking cakes and cookies, eating sweet dishes seem to have doubled right now. But today, I thought of doing something else. Instead of making something sweet, I thought of doing a very popular savory dishes. Any wild guesses? Yes, that's right, it's pizza. Today we will be making a homemade, easy to make pizza, and that too not in an oven but in your microwave. The process is very easy and I'm sure you will not regret with the end result. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive in. First we need to soak the yeast in lukewarm water. I have taken 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a cup of lukewarm water, and 1 tablespoon of yeast. Put the mixture for at least 15 minutes. After some time you will see a thin consistency like this. For the dough I have taken 1 cup of plain flour, then added a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of plain vegetable oil, add the yeast mixture, then give it a stir, add water as per the requirement to make a nice dough for the pizza. So my dough is ready. I have covered it for half an hour. As our dough is resting, let us prepare the vegetables for the toppings. Here I have used small cherry tomatoes and cut them into half. I have taken a slice of onion and cut them into pieces. A slice of green bell pepper. It's enough for my small pizza. You can actually use a variety of toppings. Sweet corn, paneer slices may be a good option if you make a vegetarian pizza. And for the non-veg, you can use chicken slices. It's up to you. After half an hour, as you can see, our dough has doubled its size. The yeast present inside is actually responsible for that. So now we have to roll our pizza base. Try to give a round shape as much as you can. Now put a thick layer of pizza sauce. Here I have made this pizza sauce. The link of this sauce, if you are interested, is on my website, so you can go and check it. I will give the link below. It's actually a roasted tomato sauce for the pizza. Now put all the toppings as per your liking. I have baked this pizza in plain microwave mode for just 5 minutes. So after the toppings, it's time for the cheese. Let's grate a slice of cheese over the toppings, and it's ready to go in a microwave. So here our pizza is ready to enjoy. Do make this at home. It's very easy and it tastes yum. Hope you like this recipe. Feel free to comment below. Until next time, goodbye.